Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to on flash notifications in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to turn on your flash notifications or notification for your flashlights, let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your settings app here. So here you have to go for accessibility section, then scroll down and look for the option of audio and visual. Select that. Then scroll down and look for the option of LED flash for alerts. Select that option and you have to simply enable this toggle to enable your flashlight for notifications. Now once you have enabled, after that whenever you will get a notification, it might be a call or any text message, so your flashlight will blink. So if you have enabled this flash in silent mode, so you'll get flashlight notification and when your phone is on silent mode. So in this way you can easily turn on your flash notifications in iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.